Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to fix Steam error code E87. This is a common login error that many users face, and the steps to solve it are quick and easy. Let's get started. When you try to open the Steam application, you might see error code E87 pop up. Here's how to fix it. Step number 1. Locate the Steam application icon on your desktop or wherever it's saved. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. Step number 2. In the Properties window, look for the target field. This is the pathway Steam uses to launch. Highlight the text in this field and copy it. Once copied, you can close the Properties window. Step number 3. Go to the search bar on your computer and type Run to open the Run application. Paste the copied pathway into the Run dialog box. Step number 4. After pasting, press the spacebar and add /repair to the end of the pathway. Then click OK. This should launch Steam properly. Check to see if the error is resolved. If it still didn't work, try these additional steps. Ensure your Windows software is fully updated. Uninstall Steam and reinstall it from the official website. One of these solutions should fix the problem. And there you have it. If this tutorial helped you fix Steam error code E87, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.